So I'm getting the question all the time lately, should I be waiting for home prices to come down before buying in Florida? And it's a fair question. But the truth is, really, the answer is a lot more complicated than just do you wait or buy now. So let's try and break it down with real data, and I'll give you some local insight. Florida's home prices aren't crashing. What we're seeing is a market that's stabilizing, it's not falling. In Tampa Bay and St. Pete, prices have come down slightly from peak highs, but inventory remains tight in most areas. The median home price is still up compared to 2022 and 2023, and price cuts are usually happening on homes that were way overlisted to begin with. So what about interest rates? Yes, rates are higher than they were a few years ago, but waiting for the perfect rate can cost you equity growth, and really, rates are down a little now compared to even a year ago. Especially in neighborhoods that are still appreciating month over month, you need to remember that you can refinance your rate, but you can't go back in time and buy a home at yesterday's price. So, is the time right for you? Well, if you're buying a home to flip in the next 90 days, timing matters. But if you're planning to live there for 3, 5 years or more, the market becomes much less risky, especially in growing areas with new infrastructure, schools, or even in some of the places like lagoon communities in Wesley Chapel and other parts of Tampa. So places like South Shore Bay, Wesley Chapel, parts of St. Pete that are non-flood zones are still seeing a high buyer interest even now. Real estate's never one size fits all. It really depends on your situation, your goals, and where you're looking. So if you're exploring neighborhoods or comparing price trends locally, it helps to have somebody who knows the area and how to navigate Florida's unique market dynamics. There's a lot of noise out there, but when you're ready for real answers, local insight goes a long way.